Hello, Enrico. In this video, let me show you detailed installation and operation for this two-tool machine. First, the machine has three parts: unloading table, middle nesting CNC, and also label machine. When you install the machine, first you install the label machine, because according to your layout, you can easily to locate the label machine. After you locate the label machine, then you can measure, put the middle part. This is the middle part. You put in the middle of nesting CNC machine and the label machine. So you put this part, and this part should be parallel to this machine. And the distance between this and this, so we can measure. It's 800 millimeters. So after we locate this machine, we put this part, and the distance between this label machine and this panel, this table, about 180 millimeters, this distance. So this table position is fixed. After that, we put the nesting machine. The nesting machine here should be parallel to this one. Because for this machine, we didn't we didn't disassemble the two-tool gantry during the transportation. So you can use a lift car to put this nesting machine into the position according to the label machine and the middle panel, the middle table. So after we fix this, we can put this label machine, unloading machine, like this. So here and here should be connected like this. This is the two-tool installation position for the two-tool machine. And after we install the two-tool one, we need to level all the machines. So how to level it? First, we level label machines. You can use the level to make this machine to be level. After that, this height it should be same with this one, this table. Then this height is same with this sacrifice MDF table, like this. The same height. Then after this, you just level all the parts, the label machine, middle table, and nesting CNC. This is how to install the machine, mechanical parts. After we finish our level check for the two-tool machine, we need to install the power. So it means we need to connect the electrical power to the two-tool machine. So we need to give this control cabinet power, and also need to give the power to the label machine, and also for loading table and unloading table. So how we connect it? Here is the two-tool transformer for the nesting machine. So you just Here is 600 volts. The transformer will transform 600 volts to 680 and 220. So how to connect this? What you need? You just need one cable like this to connect here. Three live wires and one natural wire. The total voltage for here is 600 volts. This is the control cabinet for nesting machine. And for the label machine, we need one cable to connect here. This is also 600 three-phase volts. So we just need to connect these two. For the transformer, we will prepare all the wires when we send the machine, because now we didn't connect, because in our factory there is no voltage 600 volt. So we just use 380. That's why we didn't connect the transformer. So when you get the machine, no need to, all the cables we will leave in here. So you just need to connect to this and that. And also, you need to prepare another extra power cables to the unloading table and loading table. Here, for the cables, it's 4 coils. 2.5 square millimeter is enough. So how we connect? We just connect here. The natural cable, 3 live wire cables and natural cable. 1 cable connect here, and the other end we connect here. The other end we connect here. Later we will put labels here. It's easy to find. So when you connect the unloading table power, it will from here to the unloading table. And for the loading table also connect here. From here to the loading table. Let's go to check the other end of the loading table. For the loading power, we will connect here in the control cabinet. Just now I have shown the terminals. So in the control power, we just connect here. 1 cable connect from the loading table and the control cabinet. This is the cable. This is the total power cable connections for the machines. After we connect the power to the machine, we need to connect also from vacuum pump to the control cabinet. Vacuum pump dust collectors. So here is the 2 vacuum pumps terminals. And also this is for dust collector. So we just connect them to be here. That will be okay. After we connect all the wires and power, so we just switch on the machine. First thing, we need to set the mechanical origin for this machine, nesting machine, and the label machine. It's different ways. So let me show you one by one. First, I will show you for the nesting machine. After we switch on, maybe there is alarm for y-axis, not reset mechanical origin. So how we set it? So we just go find F8 system admin. Then find F3 parameter. Then find F7 serial tuning. We need to input the password. The password is 520. Then press enter button. Then we go here, F1, normal axis. Then we press F7, set absolute home. So when you first switch on the machine, maybe only y-axis here is red. We need to set it. How we set it? So we just need to press this one and press set machine home button, because we install the home switch for all X, Y, Z axis. So when we press set home, this axis, for example, X-axis, will move to the position. When it gets close to the plate, then find the correct positions. So let me show you how it moves. For example, X-axis, we set the orange. Here, we press X. Then we press F1, set machine home. Then the machine will show must be home mode. Sorry, we choose home mode. Choose home mode first, then we press F1. It will show machine coordination will be changed. Do you want to continue it? We press yes. Then you can see the X-axis will move to the sensor position. After that, it got the position. Then here will show set work. Okay. That means we finished to setting X-axis. For Y-axis, Z-axis, it's the same. Then we need to set the origin for label machine. Label machine has two axes. So before we power on, we just make sure two distance. First one is here. From this bearing to this end, it's 170 millimeters. And also this one, from this linear rail to here, it's 330 millimeter. So we just push manually to this distance. Make sure these two distance. Then we need to set the on the controller, and I write this distance from here. So in case that later if you lost the position, you can set according to these values. Now we will go to the label machine controller to show how to set this mechanical origin. First, we press electronic model. Then we press parameter. Then we press axis speed. Then we press home limit parameter. Then we choose set absolutely home. The password is the same, 520. After you input 520, you press OK or you press enter button. After that, we will go to the page for set the home position. How we set? For example, U-axis, maybe during the transportation we didn't remove the motor. So no need to set U-axis. We just need to set V-axis. How we set? We just choose V. Then we press search set home. Sorry, we need to go home button. Home mode first. Then we go back. Here. Home mode, press panel. Choose home mode. Then we go here. We press set home button. It's the same. It will show machine coordination will be changed. Do you want to continue it? So we press yes. After that, this one will change from red to green. That means we have finished set it. This is the total setting for the nesting machine and label machine, how to about the mechanical position. After we setting all this, we can try to run the machine. After we finish all the mechanical origin setting, then we need to put all the tools, fix all the tools which we need in the machine. After that, we will set workpiece origin for the nesting machine. And no need for label machine, just for nesting machine. Before we send in the machine, we have finished to set it. In this video, I just show you the way how to set it. So when you go to the machine, no need to set it. How to set? First, we press main button, and then we press side pin and front pin up. Choose jog mode. Press front pin and side pin. So the side aluminum pin and front pin will be up. How we set? We just choose one panel and put it. Then we move the tool center to be here, to be this point, tool center. After that, we just set here. We press F3, offset setting. Then we press X-axis, G54, P1. Then we press apply mechanical origin. So if we press this one, the machine will automatically write this machine value to be here. The same way to set Y-axis. Y-axis. This is how to set workpiece origin for X and Y-axis. About for Z-axis, we need to set it after we measure the tools. So next, I will show you how to measure the tools in this machine. The tools and drillers. When you fix the tool, you need to care about one thing. For example, here is you just put one tool into the spindle, and now we will to go measure for the drilling head. We have fixed all the drillers. So if you need the same one, you can keep it. If you need another model, you can change it. So first, I will show you how to measure the drillers. We go to F3, offset setting. Then F3, tooltip measure. Here, the mode always to be 3, and all these values we no need to change. So we just input the number which we want to measure. First, we choose auto mode. Then, we input the number. For example, T21. The driller is from T21 to T29. So, we input T21 and press F1, start button. Machine will go there to measure T21. The driller will touch the sensor. 完了。Then we can measure T29, for example. We just input 29 here. Then we choose auto mode and press start again. The driller will touch the sensor 3 times. After finish, all will be back. This is how to measure the driller. Now, let's wait to measure the tools. For example, we measure T1. We just input 1 here. Press enter button. So input 1 here, then choose auto mode and press F1 start button. Machine will put T8 back, then move to T1. To pick up T1, then to go to measure. The tool also touches the sensor 3 times. After that, we finish measure T1. Then, after we measure T1, we need to set the Z-axis. Offset setting Z-axis, this value. So, first finish measure T1, then move T1 to touch the sacrifice MDF sheet. First, we switch on the vacuum pump and vacuum suction to hold the MDF sheet. Then we move the T1 to touch here. Choose jog mode. Then choose jog mode to use this to move the machine. Then we can use MPG. It means we use this one, hand wheel, to move it. So we need to move the axis down. We choose the axis. Then we just rotate 2 directions like this. For example, now we touch the sacrifice MDF sheet. Then we press offset setting, F3. Then press tool tip measure. Then we press F3 Z delta set. After we press this one, the values will be set here. You can see here the value changed. So the value will be set here. This is how to set the, actually this distance is the distance from sacrifice MDF sheet and the tool sensor. This distance. So after we finish this, we can measure the other tools. For example, we measure T2. So we press F3 offset setting. Tool tip measure. Then we change this value to be 2. Then we choose auto mode. Press F1 start button. The tool will go back and pick up T2. Then go to measure. Okay. Now, after we measure all the tools and drillers, we are ready to run the file. Before we run the file, there is one button we need to choose. Small means the 4 by 9 feet panel. If you run 4 by 9 feet, 4 by 8 feet panel, if you run 4 by 8 feet panels, you choose small. Otherwise, you choose big. For the big mode, it's all the other panel size. For the small panel, it's 4 by 8 panels. First, we choose auto mode, then press main button. Then we choose small or big panels. 4 by 8, small is 4 by 8 feet. Big is bigger than 4 by 8. 2 panels, different panels. So we just choose small, then we choose auto connection setting. Then we press start button. The machine will go front and waiting for the label machine. Then for the nesting, we always operate like this. No need to operate others. What we operate is on the label machine. For example, I cleared list. Then I press auto label. Load workpiece list. Then choose one file, press output list. Import success. Then we choose panel, choose auto mode, and press this button to close this menu. Then here we can load many files. Now in this file, just one panel, so we press circle start. Machine will first pick up panels and alignment like this, like this. Here, there is one sensor. When the panel covers the sensor, it will stop. Then the label machine start to label. After finish label, machine will transport loading the panel to be here. Then the nesting CNC will come here to pick up panels. Now the panel will be loading to be here. Then the next thing, CNC will go to load the panels to the front. Then the machine will start to drilling. Lift the Z-axis up so it will not cutting, it will just run it in the air. We can connect this to your office computer to transport the file. How we connect here? We can connect by the keyboards, line keyboard. We connect by the line keyboard to your computer, office computer. Then for syntax, there is one special software installed on your computer, and we can share the folders. Just drag your file directly to this label machine controller. I will send you later the software for share the folders files. This is the total process for the machine. When you got the machine and try to install, then we can contact and try to find the details.